In this video, I will show you how to sell stock on eToro. So to sell stock on eToro, you first need to find the stock you want to sell. In my case, I'll just use Tesla for the sake of this example. When you go over to the page for the stock in question, so here we can see obviously that I've selected Tesla. We've got the invest button just here. We can go ahead and click that. And then you'll see at the top here on this pop-up that we have the option to either buy or short the stock, i.e. sell the stock. So I, for example, want to, let's say, sell $20 worth of stock here. I can go ahead and enter that in. I can set a stop loss or take profit and then decide whether I want to use leverage. Obviously leverage meaning that you're going to effectively borrow shares to then sell them. And thus that's obviously going to either increase or decrease your profits accordingly, as it's effectively going to add a greater degree of risk in. But once you have set up the trade that you want here, all you need to do is go ahead and press the short button, and you can see here that I have now shorted Tesla. I can actually see this as well by going over to my portfolio here, and you can see that I have opened this trade. It's currently pending open because we are recording this on the weekend and it hasn't currently opened yet. But we can see here that that will effectively start when the market opens. If I want to cancel this, I can go over here to the three dots and press cancel, and then cancel again. And that is how you sell stock on eToro.